Hey guys, this is T2 Asia 4V. In this video, I will introduce the new and affordable Jono Bangkok Asok Hotel, located in Sukhumvit, Bangkok, Thailand, which has a cannabis shop in the lobby. I will introduce these items. The Agoda review for this hotel is above. I think it has a great score. Jono Bangkok Asok Hotel is located near Sukhumvit Station and Asok Station in Bangkok, Thailand. The hotel is located about 450 meters from Asok Station on the BTS line, about a 7-minute walk away. There is a commercial building called Exchange Tower nearby. The closest laundry shop to the hotel, Mary's Dry Cleaning and Laundry, is located in this building. And there are fun spots in the surrounding area. It's safe to say that this hotel has a great location. This is what the hotel looks like from Asok Station. This is what it looks like from the other side. The other side is the direction of Asok Station and Sukhumvit Station. This is what it looks like at night. There is some traffic on the street in front of the hotel, so you won't feel scared even walking at night. The hotel lobby is actually home to a cannabis shop. There is a coffee machine in the lobby. This is the cannabis shop. It seems to sell a variety of products. Move to the room I will be staying. There is an atrium inside the hotel. It seems there are rooms in the basement as well. The inside of the building seems larger than it looks from the outside. This is my room. The specs of the room I stayed are above. It was about $33 per night. I booked through Agoda on the day of my stay. I usually do this. Check inside the room. King-size bed. The room is compact, but spacious enough for one person. It's a new hotel, so it's very clean. King-size bed. Pillows. Outlet and switch right next to the bed. Desk. Handset and remote control. Wall-mounted TV. Wall-mounted refrigerator. No minibar, but free water. Gown. Sturdy hangers. Built-in air conditioner. Air conditioner controller. Door. Evacuation route map. Looking through the door scope. It looks like this. Door lock. Looking at the door from the hallway. The door unlocking method looks like this. Since the room is small, the sink is cleverly placed like this. Cups, sink, towels and hair dryer, amenities, disposable slippers, security box. Let's check the shower room. The shower room is compact, but very clean. Towels, toilet bowl, toilet paper, toilet shower and tank, shower head in the shower room, shower gel and conditioning shampoo, shower nozzle. Check out the view from the window. This room is on a low floor, so there is not much of a view. You can see someone eating in the building next door. When you close the blinds, the light is blocked out well like this. The hotel building has an atrium like this. The atrium appears to continue to the second basement floor. At the bottom of the atrium is a rest area like this. There is a coffee machine in the lobby. You can drink authentic coffee. You can drink coffee in the lobby, or you can drink it slowly in your room. Between the hotel and Asok Station, there is a commercial building called Exchange Tower. Inside this building, there is a laundry shop called Mary's Dry Cleaning and Laundry. This seems to be the closest laundry shop to the hotel. The price was 100 baht per kilogram. I used it twice during my trip and had no problems at all. I think it's a reliable laundry shop. What did you think of Jono Bangkok Asok Hotel? Thank you for watching. I'm glad if you feel you have trip. Please subscribe T2 Asia 4V channel. Please leave a comment and thumbs up. Please also super thanks. Please follow me on social media.